Wayne Davidson with Nature Spirit Drums.
And Doug Rarden with Nature Spirit Drums. Recording of sounds is an extension of our live events where we play intuitively.
Whatever came to us, we played.
We recorded playing Tibetan Bowls, crystal bowls,
We have rattles, ocean drums,
frame drums, chimes, and Native American flute. Sounds was the natural progression to our sound healing experience.
It's kind of a journey into yourself.
We create as we go along.
My goal is to raise the vibration of each person that listens to it.
Sounds is available on Amazon, Spotify, and naturespiritdrums.com.